Where are you going to go with that elephant?
The elephant's almost the size of you, buddy.
Here I come. Here I come.
Give the elephant a hug. Whoop. Give the elephant a hug. Oh. You gonna put it back in the basket?
Good boy. Or not.
Logan.
Oh, man down.
Go get it.
Ta-da!
Get your balance. Good boy.
Oh, no more Bud Lights for you. Hey, what do you think? Is that a doggy?
Bring the doggy to mama. Bring the doggy to mama. Get over here.
Start walking.
Good boy. Good boy. Oh, you're learning how to get up again. Look at you. Oh, yay.
Oh, that was cute.
When did you learn that? It's the first time we've seen you do that trick. It's a pretty cool trick. That's a pretty cool trick that you can get up.
Phone is ringing. Oh my God.
Stand up. Show us how you do it. Oh, you're getting tired.